Vector magnitude. Given a vector, we can easily find its magnitude. For simplicity, let us start with a vector in 2D. So, suppose we have the vector A equal to 1, 1. Then, finding its magnitude is pretty simple. Just notice 1 and 1 represent the x and y coordinates, so we can deduce from Pythagoras' theorem that the length of the vector is square root of the squares of the x value and y value, so square root of 1 squared plus 1 squared, which gives square root of 2. So, we have the length of the vector A is square root of 2. Now, we want to find a vector in the direction of A, but having a unit length, or in other words having a magnitude equal to 1. We call this vector the unit vector of A and is denoted h of O. In this case, the length of the vector A is square root of 2, so to find the unit vector we need to divide the vector by square root of 2, to get its size equal to 1. So h of O is equal to 1 over square root of 2 times the vector 1, 1, which is equal to 1 over square root of 2, 1 over square root of 2. Let us quickly check that now, the length of h of O is equal to 1. So here, we have 1 over square root of 2's instead of 1's, so we get 1 over 2, plus 1 over 2. So, we get the length of h of O is equal to 1. Now notice that the same thing works for 3D as well. So, suppose we have a vector A equal to 1, minus 1 and 2. Then, its length is equal to square root of the squares of x, y, z components. So, 1 squared, plus minus 1 squared, plus 2 squared, and this all under square root. The length of the vector A is then equal to square root of 6. To find the unit vector of A, simply divide A by its length, so divide the vector by square root of 6, to get h of O is equal to 1 over square root of 6, minus 1 over square root of 6, 2 over square root of 6.